Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time watching my video, you are highly welcome. Here is my goat meat. It's already washed and clean. I just remove it from the freezer. So that is what I'm going to use for this egusi recipe. And here is my stockfish. This stockfish, I have soaked it in the water for a long time now. So I will just wash it and boil it together with the meat. Although I have egusi soup in my channel, but this one is another method, Egusi soup has a different methods how to prepare it. This one is specially for party or any occasion. Yeah, so stay tuned guys, because this is a very special way you can make your egusi, very rich. So these are the stockfish I'm going to use for this recipe. So I have here with me 1 large onions and my fresh pepper. This pepper is very sharp, that is why I'm using half of it. Yes guys. And at the same time I'm going to use some paprika, the long one. Yes. And I have here some shaki. Yes, which I'm going to pre-boiled and washed, because I don't want that smell and all that dirty. I just, it smells. It's an intestine, so I'm going to wash it out after pre-boiling it for some minutes. Then I'll wash it and use it for the egusi. So now I'm boiling it in another pot. Yes guys. And here is the egusi, the melon seed I'm going to use. I'm going to blend it. Yes. And this is my crayfish I will use for this recipe. And here is my Maggie seasoning cubes. As you guys know me, I don't eat any other Maggie apart from this Maggie from cow brand and chicken brand. And here is my mackerel fish. I'm going to wash it, cut it and grill it. So stay tuned guys. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to add my onions, to chop my onions and add inside. Then add some Maggi seasoning. So add my Maggi seasoning from the cow brand and chicken brand. Yes. Add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt. And that is all. Then add my water inside. So right now at this moment I will just add my stockfish. Yes guys. Just cover it to cook. So now what I will do is to blend my egusi. Yeah, I just love washing it. So I just finished washing the egusi, so I'm going to blend it now inside my blender. So now I will add my egusi inside. My sharp pepper. So at the same time I will add my paprika, blended paprika with my onions. Yes guys, we blend sorry guys with my chopped onions. Then add some crayfish inside. The next thing I will do is to add some stock water inside the blended this thing. I don't know why I'm saying blended. Oh my god, please excuse my language. I will add some stock water from the meat, yes, to blend the egusi. So now we are going to blend. So after blending, we step it aside. Yes. So now we are going to check our soup. After the meat has boiled, what I'm going to do is I will remove all this meat and grill it for like 10 to 15 minutes. Yes. So guys, now I'm going to grill this meat after removing it from the pot. So I will grill it for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes. So as the meat is grilling, now is only my stockfish that is inside water. I'm going to add my shaki that I have pre-boiled and washed. I'll add it inside. At the same time, I will add my mackerel fish. Then I will cover it to cook. So right now, after boiling the fish, I'm going to transfer this stock, but before I do that, I'm going to grill this fish. So I will remove it from the fire, from the pot, and grill it together. So guys, after then the fish is in the oven grilling now, it will come last. So I'm going to step this water aside and start frying my egusi. So right now guys, we are going to add our palm red oil inside the pot. Why I didn't show it earlier on the video is because my oil is blocked, so I was waiting it to melt before I can use it. You just bleach it a little bit, just a little. So now we are going to add our chopped onions inside. And stir together. Guys, I have the secret of this egusi, and I love it. This method is optional, you must not use it. Okay guys, now I'm going to add tomato puree, that is tomato paste, just a little bit. I love the taste in my egusi soup. Yes, it's optional, you must not use it. So like I said, it's optional, you must not use it. So because it's a frying method, I love it in this recipe. It's my secret too. You have many types of egusi, different ways to prepare egusi soup, but these are one of the methods I love using. So after then, I will add crayfish inside. So I'll add some crayfish and stir together. You must be careful, don't let your soup to burn. So right now the flavor is something else. Oh my gosh, right now I'm going to add the blended egusi inside. Guys, at this moment I will just cover it to fry. So guys, I forgot to show my leaf. I'm going to use two types of vegetables. So this one is my dry Uziza leaves. Yes, you can as well use fresh one if you have, but here in diaspora it's always hard to get fresh one. So if you also don't have fresh one, you can use the seed. That one too goes. And at the same time, I'll be using, this is called GRUNKOHL. It's more or less like spinach. I don't know if it's senior brother to spinach, abi is junior brother to spinach. You can call it whatever you want. So you can see the name is GRUNKOHL. So you can use it. It's like ugu leaf. I love the taste. It tastes like ugu leaf. Yes. But if you have spinach, you can also use. They are the same brothers and sisters. Yes. So now we are going to check our egusi. As you can see how yummy and delicious it's already looking, and it's boiling, it's frying at the same time. Now what I'm going to do is to add my grilled meat. So now I am adding my grilled meat. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Yes guys. So right now I will stir gently. After stirring, I will add my stock water with the shaki and stockfish inside. Yes guys, I'll just add everything together, but you have to be careful with your water. This egusi, I don't want it to be watery. I want it thick and rich. Yes, that is how I want it. So right now I will add my stockfish and shaki inside and stir gently. Oh my gosh, this egusi is on point. It's on point guys. Then you test for the seasoning. My seasoning is okay. So at this moment I'll just cover it small to boil for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes we'll add our veggies. So after 10 minutes of cooking, guys, now we are going to stir gently. At this moment we are going to add our veggies. Yes guys. So now I will add my Uziza leaf. It's already washed and clean. At the same time I will add my GRUNKOHL. So now you will stir gently. Oh my god, wow, my egusi is on point guys. So now after stirring, I will now add my grilled fish. So now after adding the fish, you just have to stir gently so that the fish doesn't get scattered in the pot. Yes. Then after stirring, now you are going to cover it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Then the soup is ready. So guys, after 10 minutes of boiling, because I don't want the veggies to be very soft, I want the vegetables to be half done. Now our soup is ready, like ready. Yes guys. So please guys, if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly give me a big thumbs up, and please feel free to share my video. It's a way me what you think concerning this egusi soup, hearty egusi soup. So I believe I have come to the end of this video. See you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Bye.
Yo.